Hey guys, these are these 5 essential marketing products for your business. So first, of course, you can get yard signs in real simple design, have your number and your service, or you can add another line of text, which is licensed and insured, and that's just a good add-on to your service. Next are door hangers. Door hangers are really straight and simple. You can put your logo on there, and also I recommend putting a list of services and maybe just a coupon or two just to kind of get the doors open for you. The next step up from door hangers are postcards. Here you can put before and after pictures, which will kind of intensify your service. And you can also give these to past customers, current customers, or customers in an area that you want to tackle, just to kind of put your name out there a little bit more. Then you can do t-shirts, which is really good when you are on the job. It shows that you are very professional and ready to get to work. And then lastly, you always need business cards. Business cards are a great way to make sure that you have a good flow of information for customers. So these 5 items are very essential for anyone starting a pressure washing business. So please be sure to check out our pressure washing kit on our website, and also like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. See you guys later.